Imagine walking into a hospital where an AI spots cancer in your scan before the radiologist even looks at it. Where a robot surgeon operates on you from 3,000 miles away. Where a smartwatch predicts a heart attack 5 hours before it happens. This isn't science fiction. This is happening right now in 2026. And it's saving thousands of lives every single day. Subscribe now and let's dive into 5 mind-blowing ways AI is transforming healthcare as we know it. Artificial intelligence in medicine has exploded in the last 12 months. We are past the experimental phase. By 2026, nearly 90% of hospitals have adopted some form of AI-driven diagnostics or remote monitoring. We're talking about a market that hit $12 billion and is growing at insane speed. And the best part? This technology is not replacing doctors. It is giving them superpowers. It is catching diseases earlier, designing drugs faster, and making surgeries safer than ever before. So let me walk you through 5 specific, real-world ways AI is reshaping healthcare right now. Let's start with the most mature application, medical imaging. AI systems today can analyze X-rays, CT scans, MRIs, and pathology slides with accuracy that matches or beats human specialists. Platforms like ADOC and Zebra Medical Vision are deployed in hundreds of hospitals worldwide. Think about what this means. A radiologist might review hundreds of scans per day. Fatigue is real. But an AI never gets tired. It can flag a tiny lung nodule or a microhemorrhage in the brain that a human eye might miss. One study showed AI-assisted radiologists detected 11% more breast cancers than those working alone. 11%. That's thousands of women catching cancer earlier when treatment is most effective. And here's the wild part, Google DeepMind trained an AI to detect eye diseases from retinal scans. It matched the best human specialists in the world. So now, a diabetic patient in a rural clinic can get a 5-second eye scan and know if they're at risk of blindness, without needing a specialist on site. That is health equity in action. In 2026, AI is flipping that model on its head. Companies like In Silico Medicine and Atomwise use AI to simulate millions of chemical interactions in silico in a computer in weeks instead of years. Generative AI can design entirely new molecules that have never existed, tailored to a specific disease target. The numbers are staggering. AI has shortened lead development time by up to 70%. Roche and NVIDIA just announced an AI drug discovery factory partnership at GTC 2026. We are now seeing AI-discovered drugs entering clinical trials for cancer, fibrosis, and rare genetic diseases. The same AI that writes poems is now designing medicines. That is mind-blowing. Subscribe if you haven't already, because segment 3 is going to blow your mind even more. Robotic surgery has been around for a while, but 2026 is the year AI made it truly intelligent. The Da Vinci surgical system has been upgraded with AI-powered computer vision that can recognize anatomical structures in real time and adjust surgical plans on the fly. But here's the breakthrough I want you to understand: remote robotic surgery is now a reality. In a recent procedure, a surgeon in China operated on a patient 3,000 kilometers away using a miniature surgical robot controlled over a 5G network. Zero lag, zero complications. The market for surgical robotics is projected to hit $21 billion by 2030. We're seeing AI-powered systems from Virtual Incision. Their Mira robot was tested on the International Space Station. NASA astronauts practicing surgery in microgravity for deep space missions. That is happening right now. AI robotics means smaller incisions, faster recovery times, and fewer complications. It means a specialist surgeon in New York can operate on a patient in rural Montana. That changes everything. The Apple Watch, Samsung Galaxy Watch, and other wearables now carry FDA-cleared clinical-grade sensors. They can run an ECG, check blood oxygen, detect atrial fibrillation, and even track blood glucose trends without needles. Combined with AI, these devices are learning your personal baseline. Here's the game changer: AI predictive models can detect health deterioration hours before symptoms appear. A machine learning model analyzing your heart rate variability, sleep patterns, and activity levels can flag sepsis risk or cardiac events in advance. One hospital system reduced cardiac arrest deaths by 33% using AI-powered wearable monitoring. The shift from reactive to preventive medicine is happening right now. Instead of waiting until you feel sick, your devices alert you and your doctor proactively. We are moving from treating disease to preventing disease, and AI wearables are the front line. Finally, let's talk about something you never see but affects every patient: hospital operations. Did you know U.S. hospitals lose billions of dollars annually to missed appointments, bed shortages, and administrative waste? AI is solving this. Mass General Brigham deployed an internal AI chatbot for 80,000 employees. In its first 5 weeks, over 5,500 staff got answers in just over a minute. Their daily call volume dropped from 633 to 115. That's an 82% reduction. AI predicts emergency room demand using weather data, historical patterns, and local events. Hospitals using this cut waiting times by 10 to 20%. AI-powered medical coding audits reduced claim denials by 35% at one facility. And automated clinical documentation saves doctors over 3 hours per week, time they can spend with patients instead of paperwork. When you combine all 5 of these areas of diagnostics, drug discovery, surgery, wearables, and operations, you're looking at a healthcare revolution that touches every single patient, every single day. So let me recap: AI is catching diseases earlier, designing drugs faster, powering remote surgery, predicting health emergencies before they happen, and making hospitals run smoother. And we're just getting started. The question is not whether AI will transform healthcare. It already has. The question is, are you ready for it? If this video opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button. We cover AI and tech breakthroughs every single day so you stay ahead of the curve. Drop a comment: which of these 5 areas excites you most? I read every comment. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.